NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are changing the way creators monetize their art, music, and digital assets. Whether you're an artist, musician, or entrepreneur, understanding how to create and sell NFTs can open up entirely new revenue streams. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step, from creating your NFT to listing it on marketplaces. I'll also share pro tips on using tools like CoinStats, TradingView, and Glassnode to track NFT market trends and optimize your sales. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to mint and sell your very own NFTs with confidence. Look in the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Part 1. Understanding NFTs and their value. NFTs are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain, representing ownership of artwork, music, collectibles, or even virtual real estate. Unlike cryptocurrencies, each NFT is unique and cannot be replaced by another. Their value comes from scarcity, utility, and demand. Before diving into NFT creation, spend some time understanding the market. Use TradingView to analyze market trends and identify the types of NFTs currently in demand. This can help you decide what type of asset to tokenize, whether it's art, music, or something else. Part 2. Choosing the right blockchain. The blockchain you choose determines the cost, speed, and accessibility of your NFTs. Ethereum is the most popular blockchain for NFTs, but platforms like Solana, Polygon, and Tezos offer lower fees and faster transactions. Research these blockchains and choose one that fits your project. For instance, Ethereum offers the largest marketplace exposure, while Solana and Polygon are more cost-effective for beginners. Use CoinStats to compare blockchain stats and gas fees to make an informed decision. Part 3. How to create your NFT. Once you've chosen a blockchain, the next step is to create your NFT. Here's the process. 1. Create your digital asset. This could be a piece of digital art, music, a 3D model, or any unique digital file. 2. Select a wallet. Choose a crypto wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Phantom for Solana. Make sure it's compatible with your chosen blockchain. 3. Mint your NFT. Head to an NFT platform like OpenSea, Rarible, or Magic Eden and upload your asset. These platforms provide easy-to-use tools for minting NFTs, attaching metadata, and setting royalties. Platforms like Koinly can help you track the expenses related to minting, which is useful when calculating profits and staying compliant with taxes. Part 4. Listing and selling your NFT. After minting, it's time to sell your NFT. Follow these 3 steps. 1. Choose the right marketplace. For Ethereum-based NFTs, OpenSea is the largest marketplace. Solana users can try Magic Eden or OpenSea. 2. Set your price. You can choose between a fixed price or an auction format. Research similar NFTs using platforms like Glassnode to track transaction histories and buyer behaviors. 3. Promote your NFT. Share your listing on social media, Discord communities, and NFT forums to attract buyers. Make sure to monitor your sales using CoinStats to track performance and TradingView to identify any broader NFT market trends that might impact pricing. Part 5. 3 tips to maximize NFT sales. 1. Add utility. Attach perks like unlockable content, physical items, or exclusive access to increase demand. 2. Build your brand. A strong personal or artistic brand can boost your NFT sales. Use platforms like Twitter and Instagram to engage with your audience. 3. Watch market trends. Stay informed about NFT market shifts with tools like TradingView and Glassnode. This will help you adjust your strategy and stay ahead of the competition. By following these tips, you can enhance the value of your NFTs and stand out in a crowded marketplace. NFTs are revolutionizing the way we think about ownership and monetization. By understanding the process and using the right tools, you can successfully create and sell your own NFTs. If you found this guide helpful, look in the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto and NFT tips. Check out the links in the description to access powerful tools like CoinStats, TradingView, and Glassnode to optimize your NFT journey.